Where are we going?
Man, it was like 3 o'clock in the morning. I was trying to make it to Atlanta. And what happened was I got a CP. So, I better pull over for safety.
Asa taba? Samo
We
kay
pulled over at the...
Be careful, B. The coffee.
At the Tangler
What?
Outlets.
This the
Tommy
place?
Hilfiger, Kate Spade, Ann Taylor, Gap, Old Navy,
Ala, pagkasana all.
Skechers, Crocs, Route 21.
We've been here.
Dun-dun-dun.
So, muna lang mga outlet
So here you go, guys.
Pakganan kaayo.
Coach.
It's all here.
Kate Spade.
Hala, gituyo ni mo na love no.
Lids,
Sana
Banana
all.
Republic, Oakley, Aeropostale.
I guess I'm gonna kuha na karon. Asa ang Bombay babe here? Nay Bombay here?
Why, you want to make some food?
No. Bombay because they have a linding. Where's the Bombay?
No, Michael Kors.
Oh.
No. Michael Kors got a Crocs.
Oh, this is actually where I got my... So, mao ni sa una di ay where I got my mga kawakwakan. But, ay nako, di na ko magkuan guys. Di na ko mag full price because there's a lot in thrift store na much cheaper. Tapos, dagan pa kaya kung ma-share to, Madam Sir.
Outside vending machine.
But, it doesn't mean that, you know, it's not, dagan ka ayo.
Oshkosh B'gosh. That's like the most famous kids clothing.
Really?
Yep.
I don't even know that.
Really? Oshkosh B'gosh. It's old school.
Dugay nakatadiri nakakuan love.
Maui Wowie.
Hawaiian. Ala, we should try their
Smoothie?
smoothies too.
Famous.
Well, I didn't know that this is huge.
American Eagle. So I think
So,
all
diri
the
na ko
particular
napalit
brand-
ako ang Ever First. You call it branded, babe, no? Branded purses? Yeah. I'm not really kuan.
Miss
ano.
I mean, you know what's up. You know the main ones. There's pink.
Yeah, the mean one, but anyway.
There's another. Where?
Hala, sana all kaayo.
Which one?
There's another RV? Una pa gud sila pang parking sa inyong Tesla to charge your Tesla.
The big Nike outlet is here.
Well, this is nice like pag ano baka nang pili sila pud ba.
Lacoste. You call it Lacoste? Look at that RV.
Ano na?
Back to nerd.
Sa naik at natong neighbor. Uy, watch out where you going.
That's a bus.
Wow, look at the neighbor. It makes me kuan babe, miss the big RV now. Ato ang big.
Don't tell me that.
Well, I'm not saying that we're gonna go get it.
Pita. Mediterranean food.
Ah,
Wow.
napad sila food diri. Abi na ko pang ano lang siya kanang shopping lang.
You know
Asa ang MK Lab?
I'm so tired from